What's important in my life? Well, I've got a great CD player. I haven't got lots of CDs, but my friend Ian is a musician and he's got hundreds. And I've got an old bike. That's very important to me. What else? Well, I've got a beautiful long dress. It's red, my favourite colour, and I love it. Oh, and my new mobile phone is very important to me. It's got all my friends' phone numbers in it.
What things are important to me? I've got a very old Toyota. It's not very fast, but it's important to us. My wife Pat hasn't got a car. And we've got a dog. His name's Fred, and he's 12 years old. He's very important to us. Oh, and I've got an expensive digital camera. It's very small, but the pictures are great. And I've got a very good DVD player, and hundreds of DVDs. We love old films. The problem is, we haven't got a very good TV.
I've got an old car.
You've got a great CD player.
He's got a lot of CDs.
She's got a red dress.
We've got a new DVD player.
They've got a dog.
I haven't got a lot of CDs.
She hasn't got a car.
Hello.
Hello?
Have you got time to answer some questions? It's a product survey about cameras, computers, that sort of thing.
Yes, okay.
Sure.
Thanks. Right, first question. Have you got a computer?
Yes, I have. I've got an old laptop.
And what about you? Have you got a laptop too?
No, I haven't got a computer.
Okay. And have you got a mobile phone?
Yes, of course. Everyone's got a mobile phone.
Well, I haven't. They're expensive.
And have you got a digital camera?
No, I haven't. I've got a normal camera, but not a digital one.
And you, sir?
Yes, I've got a new digital camera.
And have you got a personal stereo?
Yes, I have.
No, I haven't. I've got a CD player at home, but not a personal stereo.
Okay. And have you got a DVD player?
No, I haven't.
What about you, sir?
Yes, I've got a very good DVD player.
Yes, but his TV isn't very good.
No, I'm here to buy a new one.
Well, we've got some beautiful new TVs, and they're very cheap at the moment.
Have you got a computer?
Yes, I have.
No, I haven't.
Has he got a DVD player?
Yes, he has.
Has she got a DVD player?
No, she hasn't. Have they got any cheap TVs?
Yes, they have.
No, they haven't.
What have you got in your bag?
We're a typical British family, I think. My husband's name is Tom, and we've got 2 children. Our daughter's name is Emma, and Chris is our son. He's just a baby. And my parents, well, Bill is my father and Pat is my mother. I've got one brother, his name's Max, and one sister, Kate.
My wife's name is Anna, and we've got one daughter, Sally. She's 16 years old now. I've got two sisters, Lisa and Kate. Lisa's married with 2 kids, and Kate's divorced. My parents' names are Pat and Bill. They've got 3 children and 3 grandchildren. 2 granddaughters, Sally and Emma, and a grandson, Chris.
My parents' names are Anna and Max. I've got 2 aunts, Lisa and Kate, and 1 uncle. His name's Tom, and he's a musician. I've also got 2 cousins, Emma and Chris. My grandparents' names are Bill, he's my grandfather, and Pat, my grandmother.
Parents. Daughter. Children. Brother. Uncle. Cousin.
Doctor. Address. Woman. Musician. Manager.
Lisa is Sally's aunt.
Max is Anna's husband.
Pat is Bill's wife.
Chris is Bill and Pat's grandson.
Emma is Chris's sister.
Sally is Anna and Max's daughter.
Tim, come and look at these photos of my family.
Oh, okay.
Right. This is my sister, Lisa, and her husband, Tom.
Lisa's a doctor, isn't she?
Yes, that's right.
What about Tom?
He's a jazz musician. He's very good.
Oh, right. How many children have they got?
2, a girl and a boy. Look, here's a photo of them.
How old are they?
Emma is 7, I think, and Chris is about 10 months old.
They're beautiful.
Yes, they are. And this is my brother, Max. He's a lawyer.
And who's that?
That's Max's wife, Anna. She's from Italy, but her English is very good.
Wow, she's nice.
Yes, she is. She's an actress, actually. And that's their daughter, Sally. She's 16.
Right.
And these are my parents. Mum's a teacher. She teaches French. And Dad's retired.
How old are they?
Mum's 63 and Dad's 73.
Oh, okay.
And that's Fred, my favourite member of the family.
Sorry, where?
There.
Oh, the dog!
Yes, he's great.